I bought this new iPhone for $200. Here's how. All right, so I've been using an old iPhone 10 for the longest time and it's been through the trenches. I'm talking broken buttons, mid battery, cracked screen. It was definitely time for an upgrade. So I went on Amazon, bought a new screen and battery and got myself to work. So actually, all things considered, fixing this phone is pretty straightforward and it's not too bad as long as you follow the guide and you be gentle with the cables since they're all small and fragile. Changing the battery, that was a different beast. I'm telling you, that shit is so frustrating, especially if you break any of the pull tabs. Like, dude, as soon as the pull tabs are gone, you're pretty much just fighting a losing battle. So pro tip, make sure you heat up the back of your phone so that way it melts the glue a little bit and makes it easier to pry the battery out. So anyways, once you got the phone back together looking all nice, then it is time to sell. And the good thing about tech is that it tends to retain a lot of its value after being sold, and you'd actually be surprised at some of the prices, especially when at the exact same time, Apple will give you next to nothing for your phone. But just because you can sell your phone at a great price doesn't mean that there aren't any deals out there. There are a ton. It's crazy. I mean, consider this. I found this like new iPhone 11 for around $400 Canadian or $300 American. And depending on the seller, you can even negotiate the price down even lower. It's pretty awesome. So all in all, repairing the phone for $100, selling the phone for $300, and then buying a new phone for $400 means that I bought a brand new iPhone 11 for just $200 or $150 American. Not bad at all. Now, for some of you, you might think that this is still a lot, but think about this. Apple still sells the updated iPhone SE for $579. And after you consider taxes and everything else that goes into buying the device, you're looking at well over $650. For a phone that looks like this. And if you want to take it one step further, a new iPhone 12 costs $849, which is significantly more. After you consider taxes and whatnot, that phone's probably getting to $900, maybe even $1,000. And I don't know about you, but the differences between an iPhone 11 and an iPhone 12 are not worth $450 at the conservative end, at the minimum. Me personally, I'd rather take that $450 and put it towards something else. So, bottom line, make money moves, don't be dumb, and also like, subscribe, and check out the next video here.